Dreamy and the Strange Sound. Once upon a time, in a magical ocean, there lived a young seahorse named Dreamy. Dreamy was an adventurous little seahorse who always dreamed of exploring the depths of the sea and discovering new wonders. One day, Dreamy and her ocean friends decided to embark on a brave adventure. They swam together through schools of colorful fish, glided past underwater mountains, and laughed as they explored the unknown depths. Dreamy swam with excitement, not even realizing how tired she was becoming. As the sun began to set below the horizon, Dreamy's friends bid their farewells and returned to their underwater homes. Dreamy thanked them for the joy they brought and swam alone towards a quiet underwater cave, ready to rest. As she was about to drift off to sleep, she suddenly heard a strange sound, causing the seaweed around the cave to sway and rustle. Dreamy felt a twinge of fear in her heart, unsure of what was happening. Just then, a wise dolphin appeared before Dreamy. The dolphin had a playful demeanor but exuded great wisdom. "Hello, little Dreamy," the dolphin greeted kindly. "Why do you look so troubled?" Dreamy explained that she had heard a strange noise and felt scared. The dolphin listened attentively, then gestured with its fins towards a distant cluster of seaweed. "That's just a group of small sea snails searching for food, Dreamy," the dolphin explained. "There's nothing to be afraid of." Dreamy felt a wave of relief wash over her. She thanked the dolphin for its help, and the two ocean creatures swam together, sharing stories of their adventures. Dreamy felt comforted by the dolphin's presence and companionship. Finally, as the night grew darker, the dolphin bid Dreamy good night and swam off to its own sanctuary. Dreamy closed her eyes, lying on the soft ocean floor, feeling safe and cozy as she drifted off to sleep. From that night on, whenever Dreamy heard strange noises in the ocean, she would remember the dolphin's reassuring words. "It's just the sea snails looking for food." She felt reassured and comforted, knowing that she had friends who would support her whenever she needed them.